before everything just went blank.
Y'all know what time it is. It's early in the morning, so you know what that means. Gold star! Oh, oh, oh. Oh. I don't know if that's my E85 or my spark plugs, but I think I might need a spark plug replacement very soon. Cause yeah, that was, whoa, that took like 3 starts, bro. I did not like that. I did not like that. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, we is in the whip and we is headed to Goldrush Rally, like pre-meet before they dip, and it's at the Peterson Museum. I was skeptic on going, but then I saw DDE's story and it looked lit, like the amount of cars that were there. So we're gonna pull up, see what we can get some content for you guys. Yeah, got the booth there behind the camera, and she just got accepted into the school. So we're gonna go to the store to kind of probably buy some, like a desk and all that, so we get her like her stuff all ready and situated for when she starts school. Yeah, that's what we're gonna get into today. So if y'all having a beautiful, amazing day, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for your boy and for the family, and yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy the vlog. All right, we have made it. We are trying to see if we can get some parking in right now. It's fun though. Alright, so I hope we don't have to pay for parking, but I'm thinking we might have to pay for parking, which kind of sucks. But I'm gonna be like, I'm part of the media, let me in, come on. Yeah, I'm a media guy, they told me to come up. I don't know, I'm vlogging this thing for them. I don't know what's going on. But this truck, here, let me show y'all. This thing got snow things on it, or snow tracks, whatever those things are called. You know what I mean? It's for the snow dope. Y'all, first 15 minutes is free, after 2 hours is $18. Fuck!
Whoa, why am I zooming in?
Oh, I have to get up there? Damn!
Oh, yes, to get out.
Ah. Are we allowed to go up though? You think they'll let us?
Maybe.
I just fucked up. Can we go up? Alright, let's just go up, see what we can find. That shit is nice though. Must be nice. Wow, must be nice. 2 blonde girls, they look like sisters.
Yeah, twins.
Yeah,
actually.
literally look like twins. One was driving an Audi R8, the other one was driving a McLaren. Oh my gosh, well, look what's up here. Damn. There's just cars like scattered everywhere, I guess.
Pretty much.
Yeah, because everything's up there.
Supra.
Oh, there's probably no parking down here. That's why they came over here. It's okay, guys. We'll go back down and get some parking because, yeah, really, there ain't shit up here. Thank you, thank you. Damn, you know what I'm saying, y'all? Damn, breaking the necks, you know what I'm saying?
Even with no lip.
So look at when we walk upstairs, bro. Everybody is here. That's part of the Goldrush Rally. Damn, this thing is sick. Of course, they have DDE front and centered over there, but a lot of heat. Damn, you guys know how I feel about this one, the Notatech wrap. How it like color shifts when you get in front of it. Look at it shifting. That is crazy. But all these wraps are beautiful. Damn, this is nice too. The P1. Damn. A lot of these cars are going to the rally, and this is sick, bro. This is nice. A lot. Bugatti. $1 million cars right here, guys. This is insane. Wow. Insane. You know, we got the AMG. We got DDEs. Vuelto right here looking sick. And then Alex Choi's F1 car that he brought, which is crazy. I wonder if he's really driving this thing to the rally or not. That would be insane if he does. But just look at these cars, bro, back to back. This is crazy, bro. Like McLarens, exotics, all types of shit is here. But I should have brought my DJI mic because it is loud. There's music playing and everything like that. I should have brought it. Yo, this is crazy. On the Golf livery, this is tough. I really like this. I can't even tell you what it is, guys, because I don't even know what it is. I'm sorry. You guys are probably gonna tell me in the comments, but damn. Look at this, bro. McLeesy's, Lambos, Uruses, Porsches. It's a rally. And the 720. This is sick. What I was realizing right now, bro, so many people got DDE merch on. These ones are like everywhere, including me though, but damn, the Cullinan, I bet that must be a comfortable drive. Look at all these cars, bro. I can't even tell you guys right now. Like, I am overwhelmed of just exotics and like so much money. The GT3s, and look at the Viper back here. The Viper back here is insane. Oh my gosh! Twin turbo Huracan with the rearless bumper. I love those wheels right there. Those wheels are nice. Then they got the Storada out here too. Off-road Lambo. I like that color, the bronze, almost gold. Looks good. The Audi in this cream, looking good. What? They got a G82 on the rally? That's a first. I think this is the only BMW in the rally. That's crazy. Damn, the CTV in the wagon is sick. It looks good. Alright, so I'm over here just looking all this booty, bro. Just look at this. Porsche booty just lined up right here. And then we got the McLaren. A whole lot of just supercars all over this dang place. Damn, what was that started up? Shoosh! That was this Huracan. It was loud. Damn. It looked good though. Got black and yellow. A black and yellow hit. This 911 Turbo S right here, really clean. And if it has a right proper exhaust, you can hear them turbo spool and it sounds beautiful. We got a McCleasy Artura. How do I know that? Because it says right there. We got another 911 Ferrari. Just as you guys can see, a lot of exotics, a lot of beautiful, wealthy people, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. Damn. I wish I knew every single model about, you know what I'm saying? But I just don't know like that. I'm sorry, but woo. The engine bay to the whole color match, everything. That is just beautiful. One day, guys, one day we'll be here. We'll do a rally. We'll have a supercar and do all this fun shenanigans with these people. One day, mark my words. And then we got Alex Choi's Porsche right here. That's what drives this thing everywhere. Shreds it everywhere. This thing is sick. Everyone's just basically posted up here. We probably might get up out of here. Just insane. Crazy to even see here. And you know it's daily driven when you got the lip like this. And when you're going on a rally, you just can't care. You know you're gonna beat up your car a little bit. You're gonna get some flies, some mosquitoes all over there. Did I just walk by a 4GT? When did this get here, bro? When did this get here? I didn't even see this here. The fact that it's on a rally is crazy too. It's a front end of the Viper. Looks so mean and aggressive. It's probably the only, oh no, besides the 4GT, I was about to say the only American muscle here, but we got the 4GT as well. I forgot. Lambo. Ferrari, Porsche, Lambo, Cullinan, and other Porsches, like a lot of Porsches and McLarens and Lambos. I think only like 2 American cars. I wish I was part of this. I wish I was going to one of these. But like I said, one day, guys. Oh, they hit the McCleasy. Ooh. Yo, that thing is wide and nice. Honestly, there was a lot more heat down here. Look at these 2 Porsches right here. I mean, there's a lot of Porsches today. I'm not getting like a little tired of them right now. There was so many Porsches up there. A lot of GT3s, you know, a lot of dream cars, a lot of expensive cars. Yeah, time to get up out of there. It's good, like for like a good like 20-25 minutes, because like it's the same cars. No other cars are coming in, other than the rally. I have to show you guys some, you know, dream cars of ours. This is nice. Little Lexus with the gritty. But damn, we got the Supra. Touch that door. And the Serrano. Damn, that just sounded nice. With the yellow NSX right next to us. Okay, sheesh. Alright guys, so we have officially made it to Target. We're kind of looking at like some room essentials, mainly like a desk though for her, because she's about to start school in like a month, which is pretty exciting for her, you know. So
Yes.
it's gonna be fun for her. It's gonna be dope. New little career for her. I love that for her. But yeah, we're just trying to find a desk. Oh yeah. So we got options. We're here at Target. We didn't want to go to IKEA or anything like that because we're already here. So you want this option? I don't know. All right, she wants this as an option because this I don't like it. This is another good option for a writing desk. This one's not too bad either. For this one, this is more of a gaming desk, but she could use it as a writing desk if she wanted to, which is actually pretty nice. I like it because it's aesthetic and it has like that nice brown. Yeah, but yeah, so we're just trying to find some desks, but those are some options. Yeah, decided to take you guys along, you know, little home remedies, you know, instead of always cars. Gotta, you know, mix up the vlog a little bit. Cause this be life. This be real life outside the car world. You know, we're actually doing stuff and all this. And I need cubbies. Bro, have you guys seen our room? Oh man, no, I don't even want to show you guys my room. I don't even want to show you guys my room. Oh
Yeah.
I haven't hula hooped since I was a kid. Why is it harder than I thought? It was like this. I remember being like this. Remember you had to go back and forth on this. Oh, see? I got more than you. Hey yo, what the fuck? I can do this though. Oh yeah, come back to Papa. Yeah. I want that one. That SpongeBob one. Hey. So we are done with our Target run. And you better not touch that.
Got my brush.
Oh, yeah, she needed a brush for that hair. You know it be curly hair. Alright guys, so it is now evening. It's like 8:30 almost. Right now I'm about to meet up with the homie George again. And we're gonna go get a wash. As usual, the car is dirty, it is filthy. Oh my god, there is so much glass on the road right here. What the hell? The Supra is filthy. And like I said, it needs a wash. Thankfully this morning it was gloomy, so they couldn't really tell whether it was dirty or not. So that's good, but yeah, we need the car washed. It's dirty. Now we're met up with the homie Big G. Yeah, there. Alright y'all, we are here. And it is time to get this car washed. It is dirty. Let me just show you. Look at my wheels. Dirty. So much brake dust all around. My carbon, dusty. My rear diffuser, fading. Somebody help me. And yeah, it's just dusty overall. Oh, look at that. Dusty. My wheels, nasty. She deserves a good wash. Alright, I'm not gonna be able to vlog this because I'm gonna have to wash this pretty fast. So I'll record it when I'm over there drying it and cleaning it up. Alright, so we are pretty much done. We even got the M340i looking nice and right, even the Supra. But bro, there is so many of those little flies again that are bugging me. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see them. That little bug, they're all over the place. Look, another one. They're on my leg too. Look, even on his windshield right there. Yeah, we gotta get up out of here. Look at the roof too, man. This shit is annoying, and you can probably see right there through that light. And it is annoying when trying to clean the car because then they go onto the car. Look, right here again. Damn. Oh, shit. I haven't got to this tunnel in a minute, y'all. So, you know what? Why not give y'all a little show real quick? Put the window down real quick. Get it. I haven't done that in a minute. Oh no, I knew it. That's why I didn't want to do it. It disconnected once again, guys. Ah, that's what I get for having fun, bro. That's what I get for trying to have fun. I did some pops and there goes my clamp. It disconnected from the downpipe once again. I can't have a little bit of fun without it coming off. Not even a little bit. Ah, I knew this was gonna happen. I should have listened to my gut, bro. I was almost home. Oh, now tomorrow I gotta lift up the car and do this. Alright, so right now it sounds like it's not fully disconnected, but it's like holding off. So it's almost like, how do I, like this. It's like this, kind of like this right now. It's not fully disconnected, but I can hear it. This is the annoying part. I just gotta get better clamps apparently, because my clamps just suck or something. I don't know. I don't know if I want to weld it, but I'd rather just find some better clamps. The clamps that came with it just no bueno, man. No bueno. Or it's just my pops are way too aggressive for it. I don't know. One of the two. As you guys can hear, it's a little louder than what it's supposed to be. Oh, look. I don't know, man. It's hard to kind of hear and tell, but I can feel it and I know it. One more pop and it'll just fully disconnect. Alright, y'all can see I'm going under.
Dark.
Huh? You have to probably film from this side. So you guys can see I gotta lift up the car again because the exhaust came out. As you guys saw in the last clips, I did those little pops under the tunnel. And it disconnected once again. Before you guys start saying anything about my little jack, I've done this multiple times. I do need to invest in a bigger, low-profile jack. Because what you're about to see is sketch. If this is your first time seeing me do this. I'm gonna go under there real quick, try to...
What do you mean by that?
It's either weld it or better clamps, but I don't feel like welding it. I don't know how I feel about welding it, but probably gotta buy better clamps. 12 and a 13. I'll take a 14 just in case as well. Let's do this, Johnny. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'll probably have to show you guys, but look. There, once again. That's where it always disconnects. So I gotta get either some better clamps, because as you guys can see, it just keeps popping out. Alright. Looks like I gotta let it cool down a little bit because it's just hot. So I pretty much fixed it, got it all tidied up. I was trying to do this as fast as I can because it's a little hot, but got it all nice and snug. But as you guys see, it is nice and snug. And I'm gonna tighten in everything, but the pops are just too aggressive and it just pushes it out. Like, pushes out the sleeve. So these are the two clamps grabbing it, but one side always gets pushed out. So either I gotta weld it or better clamps. But I probably just gotta get better clamps. Yeah, keeps getting pushed out. Or just take off the aggressive pops. Either one of those three options I gotta do. But I just gotta tighten up those bolts and we're pretty much done here. Take the camera. Alright, so to prove that it's fixed, now we gotta start it. Stand right behind and get this warm start.
What a silly goose. Why did that hurt?
What do you mean, ow?
That hurt. The pop got me.
But I forgot it's a warm start, so it's gonna pop. Sorry. But it's fixed. As you guys can tell, right after that pop, that should probably pushed it a little bit after that pop. We're good now. Check out my dad's lightning. Look good, huh?